Hello fashion lovers and welcome to my YouTube channel Stylista Moda. If you find this video informative, if you find my channel interesting, please subscribe my channel, like the video and leave your comments in the comment box regarding your feedback, suggestion and everything. In today's lesson, we'll be starting a new series, that is hairstyles. So in hairstyles, we have to I'm just showing it to you. First, we will be making the outline of the hairstyle. Outline does mean कि first we have to draw a line from the on the face, which is from the 1/4 inch down, or the 1/4 of the face, and a little bit outside from the face. This is the inner line of the hairstyle. This is the outer line of the hairstyle, which is little bit out from the, and then we'll give the shape to the desired outline. Here I am giving you that the hairstyle is having a side partition, the flicks. First I have given the outlines and then I am giving it the main lines like this. If you are new to my channel, subscribe it, then erase all these headlines and everything, and now you have got the shape of the hairstyle. Now see, at the bottom of the hairstyle we have to shade it with the straight strokes, because I am showing the straight hairs. By this you will get the main falls, and same I will do from the partition on the same side. Some strokes are long and some strokes are short, just to give the proper shape or the falls to the hairstyle. Will be doing this, see, and now you just give the shape to the outer area. Same I am doing it on the other side of the partition. With a pencil like this, and now see, this is the main line. I'm highlighting this. It will have a shade on the face also, like this. And now behind, under this, you just have to notice what are the main falls of the hair in particular hairstyle, and you have to highlight all these and you will get a very good hairstyle on your crookie. See, I'm highlighting this, the falls. It's very easy to make, you just have to practice. After a day or two you will be perfect in that, I'm sure. See, here I have given the main falls, and then will highlight the upper area also. This is one hairstyle. This hairstyle you can use with the western dresses, with the formal dresses, formal in sense the office wears. This hairstyle you can use with the different attires. See, soothing and very simple hairstyle. This you can do with any medium. I'll show you all mediums, how to highlight the hairstyle with the different mediums, and you have to choose the same medium which you are using in the figure. If you are rendering the figure with a pencil, so you can use the pencil for the hairstyle also. See, now this is the final look of the hairstyle. Right, now for the other style, today will discuss all the open hair, like some of the falls of the open hair. Now I'm making some long hair. Technique is the same. We have to take the outline, the outer line of the hairstyle, that is little bit out from the head and out from the face, 1/4 inch down from the head line, will be giving the inside line of the hairstyle like this. Then we'll remove the inner lines After once the hairstyle lines are been fixed, see this. Now you can remove the inner line after the hairstyle has been fixed, like this. Now we have got the outer shape of the hairstyle. See, now we'll do it direct with the, I'm doing it with the plastic crayons. I'll just fill the entire shape with a brown crayon, or you can use any crayon, because nowadays colored hair are also in trend, like this. I'm just doing it in one direction, the flow of the hair. No need to give the shades, but direction is the main thing. You have to give it in the direction of hair. See, a little bit shading I am giving, because this shade is one thing, but when I'll highlight it with the another color, that is black, then you will get the proper shape of the hair. I'm doing it in a simply I'm doing it in a one direction, like this. So now you have got the outer shape or the proper shape of the hair. Now we'll give the shading with the next color, like this, right? And now I'm highlighting it. I'm giving a layer of hair, like this, and will shade it in the same way as we did in the pencil colors, from the partition and from the outer areas. You just have to highlight the falls, like this. See, now we are getting the final shape of the style. Hairstyle plays a vital role in your sketching, because once this is the impact that you can create in a figure. Now the falls and then the outlines, right? And now I am giving the shape to the lower hair. Below the fall they are straight, and above the fall it has been folded, like this. It has taken the shape. Now on the other side we'll be giving the fall. This is the hairstyle which has been bent from the back side, and with a clip or a clutcher or something, so that it is tight at the upper end and loose at the lower end. You can feel that curve which we have done. See, the lower portion. In the same direction we are doing the upper portion also, like this. And now we'll highlight the outlines. See this. Now we'll do it with the another hairstyle, giving the outer line to the hairstyle. You can observe the hairstyle from the different magazines and then you try them to copy. After some time you will get some hairstyle which are your favorite, and you would be using mainly them in your fashion figures. Giving the shape. Draw with a light pencil, because otherwise it will be highlighted with pencil, or if you are drawing it with a dark pencil, so you just use eraser on that to make it light, है ना? Otherwise you will not be able to create that impact of the hairstyle properly, because your pencil will be highlighted in that way, so color medium will not be able to create that impact. Like this now the shape is being designed. Now I'll be giving it, remove the inner lines as usual, and I'm doing it with the colored pencil. I'll be doing it with all mediums that we have learned in the renderings, but not stippling. Stippling is not possible in hairstyle, and hatching is not very much possible in hairstyle. But other mediums will be using. Third medium I'm using, as you can see. See, I'm giving a little bit shade, though it is not required if you want to. If you want to fill it simply, but fill it in the direction of hair. To highlight the main fall. I'm using the orange color for the base, and I'll be using brown, light brown color for the highlightation. It will create the impact of blonde hairs, golden hairs and all. This. You just have to follow the main falls. If you are able to do so, you can create the professionally designed sketches as well as the hairstyles are concerned. Like this. See, one process has been completed. Now we'll be highlighting it with the brown color, like this, so that it will be shade in a greater way. Like, see, this flake has been highlighted. Now I'll be highlighting the anothers. I know this video is a bit lengthy, and still some hairstyles are left, which we'll be discussing in part 2 or the coming video, and I'll try my level best to make it possible to upload both the videos on the same day, so that you don't have to wait for the another part of the same process. See, impact has been created, isn't it? Look at this. And the area near the neck where we want to show the back hairs, we can highlight with the dark color, like this. And now for the another side. Just to make it visible in camera, I have to change my directions for the sketching, so that is a bit difficult for me, but I'm trying that it should be in the right technique, because drawing for yourself and drawing for camera are two different things, and that I observed in my previous few days. Otherwise I never experienced that. Like this, you highlight the dark areas, highlight the falls. Done. Now for the next, the same process I am having. I have given the partition, mark the inner line and outer line of the hairstyle. Here I am making the hairstyle with the layers, but not tied at back, like this. This hairstyle reminds me of Bollywood celebrity. If you are Indian, you can easily identify is Shilpa Shetty. This is the signature hairstyle of her. Most of the time, I have seen her in this hairstyle, which I am making now. The lines, the flicks I have created, the layers, and then this. Done. Now we'll highlight it with. Let's highlight it with pencil. Just give the shading to the outer shapes. And from the partition to the inner side. Hmm. Like this. And now on the other side. In pencils also you can do, you can just shade the entire, or you can just fill the entire hairstyle with the lighter pencil, and then you highlight the falls and the highlighted portions. Doing the same as we did in the first side, just highlighting the falls. When you learn draping, the same thing will be following. You have to highlight the falls in the draping also, and in hairstyle also we are using the same thing. And most probably by day 17 or 18 will we start draping the dresses, because now in coming two videos or three videos, 3 days will be learning the detailings of the figures, like the facial features, the hand styles, the foot styles, and other things. See this. Here I am showing a little bit curl in the hair. So these layers you have to highlight. It's up to you how much curl you can give to the style. Outline with a lighter pencil and then highlight, or outline with the lighter things and then highlight. And these are the inner hair that is being, that is the back, that you have to do with the darker pencil, like this. Showing that these hairs are back of the shoulder, and then like this. Highlight the, because these all hair will put a shade on face also, so you have to highlight that in settings. Now next I am making a bob cut type of hairstyle. A bit shabby it is, but it goes with the casual dresses very well. If you are making any western casual dresses like jeans, tops, and everything, so this is the hairstyle that goes with it. Like this, I have given the outline. Now I'll be removing the headlines and the extra lines, and I'll do it with the let's have a idea of the colored hair if it has been colored by some other color, so I'm making it red. Burgundy color will be giving the impact of, or you can use any color, green, blue, orange, yellow, or some areas of the hairstyle you can use with the different colors, and rest you can do with the normal. Sometime it happens the people do color some flicks and something. See this, I'm doing it with the shading because it would be easier for me again to give the next, when I'll be highlighting it, it will be easier for me to highlight it. See, now you have given the, now you can see the shape actually, है ना, this, like this. Now I'll be highlighting it with the black color or any other color you may highlight. To give the burgundy shape, it is red and black, because the natural impact of the hair comes with black and brown, orange and brown, red and brown, and such shades, like this. Like this, I'm just highlighting it with the black, but mainly some of the ends of the black I am leaving at the free fall, because this is a free fall hairstyle, like this, and the inner shape, exactly like this only. So this is all. So in next video we'll be looking for some pleats, braids, ponies, etc. So thanks for watching this video, friends, and in the next video we'll be meeting with new topics. Till then, bye bye.